Hi, I'm Joe Pedor with Wisco Lift. I'm continuing a series on chain slings, and I'm doing the third part of part 2 of chain slings and capacities versus their hitches and angles. And right now I'm going to be talking about 3-leg and 4-leg chain slings. To keep in mind, 3-leg and 4-leg chain slings have the same capacity. You only gain stability with the 4th leg. So if you imagine you have a 3-leg chain sling or a 4-leg chain sling, all have the same capacity. The 4th leg adds stability. So if we're going to pick up this load right here with a 9/32 chain sling, and we have our 3 legs coming down, that is a 3-legged chain sling. Your capacity is 11,200 pounds at 60 degrees. You have the same capacity if you were using a 4th leg. So if we, instead of having a center pick point here, we had lugs in the corner and you had 4 legs coming down, picking up that same load, you have the same capacity. All you've done is you've added stability. And the theory behind that is at any given time when using a 4-legged chain sling, only 3 legs is actually holding the load. And as the load is moving and shifting, only 3 legs is holding and 1 leg might go slack. So your working load limits, if this angle becomes tighter, if let's say the load gets bigger and wider, then your chain sling comes down and you end up with a tighter angle here, your load to sling angle, down to 45 degrees, then your working load limit is only 9,100 pounds. If this gets down to 30 degrees, you basically have doubled the stress on the sling, and now your working load limit is only 6,400 pounds. So that completes our series on chain slings, chain sling assembly, and the different types of hardware that goes with them. And then we did the effects of angles versus the working load limit, and the hitches versus working load limit. And just keep in mind that we are a complete rigging supply house, and we can assemble a chain sling for any custom need that you have. So if you have any questions, just call us at 800-242-3477 or visit us on our webpage at www.wiscolift.com. And I appreciate you watching, and have a good day.